Now in your mathematics workbook, the topic a special way to add by carrying over. So let's see, here is an example. 9 units and 5 units make 14 units. Let's see here. Here is 9 unit, and if we add 4 units, then we get here 14. 14 means 1/10 and 4 units. In this way. Remember, we cannot put a bigger number than 9 in the unit place. So that's why we make a bundle of 10 and move it from the unit place to the tens place. From unit to tens place. Now next, add units. Write them as tens and units. Draw lines to add the units also. Number 1, 4 units plus 8 units. Do the addition. After 4, count 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means these are 12 standing lines. 12 means 1/10 and 2 units. Here 4 units plus 8 units means 12 units. These are the 12 units. And 12 units means 1/10 and 2 units. These 12 units and 1/10, 2 units, these are the same. Now next, 5 units plus 8 units. Then we have to do this addition. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So draw here 13 lines. Means 13 units are there. So draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13 means what? 1/10 and 3 units. Now here also you have to draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means this is the 1/10. After 10, 11, 12, 13. In this way, draw the lines. Now next. Number 3, 6 unit plus 7 units. Now you have to do yourself this addition and also draw lines. Okay, next. Use sticks or beads or dots and carry out the following additions. Let's see here. 8 unit plus 6 unit. Means here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. If we add 6, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means 14 beads are there. 14 means 1/10 and 4 units. Here 1/10 and 4 units. So write down here 1/10 and 4 units. Now next, 7 plus 5. So draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after 7, 8, 9, 10. Means these are the group of 10. Means 1/10 and 2 unit. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 1/10 and 2 units. Means 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Means 1/10 and 2 units. Now next, 5 units plus 6 units. So draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here next 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now make group of 10 beads. Here 5 and this 5 means this is the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is means 1/10 and 1 unit. So write down here 1 10 and 1 unit means 11 number. Means 5 plus 6 means 11. 11 means 1 10 and 1 units. Now next is 7 plus 7. Now in this way you have to do yourself. This is your homework. Next, here is also the example 5 units plus 9 units. It's your homework. Draw dots, draw beads and solve the example. Now next, look at the picture and do addition. Read and learn. Here are 10 beads plus if we add 14 beads. 14 means 1 10 and 4 beads. Then we get the answer 24. 24 means 2 tens and 4 units. Means 1 tens and 14 unit is the same as 2 tens and 4 units. Now next, write the correct number in each box by converting units into tens and units and write it as addition. Now let's see. 2 tens and 13 units is the same as 3 tens and 3 units. Let's see here. 2 tens means 20. Means 2 tens and 0 units. And plus 13. 13 means 1 tens and 3 units. Means in unit place 0 plus 3. First do the addition whatever in unit place. 0 plus 3, 3. Now in tens place 2 plus 1, 3. Means the answer is 33. Now let's see. 33 means 3 tens and 3 units. This is the addition of this example. Means 2 tens plus 13 units. So it is the same. Now next. 4 tens and 13 units. So we have to solve this. So write down there. 4 tens means 4 tens and 0 unit plus 13. 13 means 1 tens and 3 units. Now do the addition whatever in unit place. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. Means 4 tens plus 13 units is equal to 5 tens and 3 units. Means 53 numbers. So write down here 5 tens and 3 units. It is the addition of this example. Means 4 tens and 13 units is the same as 5 tens and 3 units. Now next, there are two examples. Let's see here. 3 tens plus 17 units. Do this addition. Write down here the example and solve. Then write down the answer here. Now next. 6 tens and 11 units. Solve this example here and write the answer here. It's your homework. Now next. Read and learn. Let's understand addition by carrying over. The example is 15 and 9. 15 means 1 tens and 5 units plus 9 units. Step first, add first units. Means 5 plus 9. 5 units plus 9 units. Means 14 units. 14 units means 1 tens and 4 units. So we have to write these 4 units here in unit place. And this one we are going to carry it over in tens place. Now we are going to do the addition whatever in tens place. This 1 plus 1 means 2. Means 2 tens and 4 units. Means 24. Means the example is 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. In this way, you have to do the addition by carrying over. Now next. 28 and 17. 28 means 2 tens and 8 units. Plus 17 means 1 tens and 7 units. Do the addition whatever in unit place. 8 units plus 7 units means 15 units. 15 units means 1 tens and 5 units. So, we are going to write this 5 in unit place. And this 1 tens we are going to carry it over here 1. ये जो 1 है हम वो here carried over करके tens place में लेके जाएंगे. Now, this 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 45, means 4 tens and 5 units. Means 28 plus 17 is equal to 45. Now next, write the correct number in each box and complete the addition. Now the addition is 14 and 29. So write down here 14 means 1 tens and 4 units plus 29 means 2 tens and 9 units. Let's see here 4 plus 9 means 13. So 13 means 1 tens and 3 units. So whatever in unit place we are going to write here 3 and this 1 we are carry over here in tens place. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4 means the answer is 43 means 4 tens and 3 units means 43. So write down here what we do. First step, add units means 4 units plus 9 units means 13. 13 units means 1 tens and 3 units. So this 3 in unit place and carry this 1 to the tens place, to the tens column. Now steps 2. Add the tens. 1 tens here. This 1 tens plus this 1 tens and plus 2 tens is equal to 4 tens. Now means this addition is 14 plus 29 is equal to 43. In this way you have to solve this example. Remember, while adding numbers, first add the numbers in the unit place and then in ten place. Okay, next. Add the given numbers by carrying over method. 47 plus 5. Here one is done for you. 47 means 4 tens and 7 units plus 5. In unit place 7 plus 5 means 12. So we are going to write here 2 because 2 is in unit place and this 1 we are carry over. Now this 1 plus 4, 5. So the answer is 52. Means 47 plus 5 is equal to 52. 52 means 5 tens and 2 units. Now next. 62 plus 28. Now do the addition. First whatever in unit place. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 means 1 10 and 0 units. So in unit place there are 0. So write down in unit place 0. Now this 1 we are going to carry over here 1 in tens place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. So write down here 9. Means the answer is 90. 90 means 9 tens and 0 units. Means 62 plus 28 is equal to 90. Now next. 44 plus 48. Now in unit place. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 means 1 tens and 2 units. in unit place 2. So write down in unit place 2. Now this one carry over in tens place. Now do the addition whatever in tens place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Means the answer is 92. Means 9 tens and 2 units. Means 44 plus 48 is equal to 92. And now next. 38 plus 14. In unit place 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means 1 tens and 2 units. So this 2 write down in unit place and this 1 carry over in tens place. Now do the addition of tens place. Whatever in tens place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Means the answer is 52. Means 5 tens and 2 units. 38 plus 14 is equal to 52. Now next. 71 plus 19. Do the addition whatever in unit place. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 means 1 10 and 0 unit. So 0 is in unit place. So write down here in unit place. And this one carry over in tens place. Now do the addition whatever in tens place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Means 90. 9, 10 and 0 units. Means the example is 71 plus 19 is equal to 90. Now, remaining example you have to solve yourself. This is your homework. Now next. Keep the carried over tens in mind and add. Now, you have to do the addition in this way. The addition by carrying over. But this one, this carry over 1, you have to keep in mind. Don't write here. Now, example 49 plus 3. So, do the addition whatever in unit place. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 means 1 10 and 2 unit. So, write down here 2 and 1 tens. You have to keep in your mind. Now, in tens place there is 4. 4 plus this 1, 5. Means the answer is 52. Means 5 tens and 2 units. The example is 49 plus 3 is equal to 52. Now next. 55 plus 8. Now in unit place. What is the 5 plus 8? Do the addition. Means 13. 13 means 1 tens and 3 units. 3 write down in unit place and 1 keep in mind that is in tens place. Now 5 plus this 1, 6. Means the addition is 63. 6 tens and 3 units. Means 55 plus 8 is equal to 63. Next. 69 plus 9. Now in unit place do the addition whatever in unit place. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 means 1 10 and 8 unit. So 8 is in unit place. So write down in unit place. Now 6 plus that 1 carried over means 7. Means the answer is 78. Means 7 tens and 8 units. Means 69 plus 9 is equal to 78. Now next 64 plus 27. Do addition whatever in unit place. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 means 1 tens and 1 unit. Whatever in unit place write down this 1. And in tens place keep in your mind. We have to carry over here in tens place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Means the answer is 91. 9, 10 and 1 unit. Means 64 plus 27 is equal to 91. Next. 65 plus 26. Now in unit place 5 plus 6. How many? 11. 11 means 1 tens and 1 unit. Whatever in unit place, write down this one. In tens place, carry over here. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Means 91. 9 ten and 1 unit. Means 65 plus 26 is equal to 91. Now in this way you have to solve these examples. The remaining example is your homework. So do practice properly. Thank you.